Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are looking at one of the simplest yet most effective tools to elevate your video shoots, product displays or food photography. Colorful backdrop papers. These backdrops not only enhance the overall vibe of your videos or photos, but also add that pop of color that instantly makes your subject more eye-catching. Whether you are shooting a product review, a food spread, or just trying to create a YouTube video, the colorful background brings a fresh persona to the subject you are shooting. PVC backdrop papers are splash-proof, which makes them an easy choice for food photography. If you spill food or oil, it's easily washable. You don't need to worry about stains or damaging the paper itself. Another great advantage is durability. Because these backdrops are made of PVC, they don't scratch easily, they won't wrinkle, and you can easily fold any extra paper over the corners of your table for a clean and seamless look. So, if you are looking to level up your video or photo game, I highly recommend these colorful PVC backdrops. They are vibrant, durable, and perfect for anyone looking to create stunning, professional-looking content without the hassle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.